Thanks for joining us for this hands-on and first look at the Synology DiskStation DS925 Plus, their latest 4-bay NAS system. The DS925 Plus features a sleek matte black finish, quite a contrast to the glossy white DS223J you see on the left. On the front, the power button sits at the bottom right, just below a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. Along the right edge are status LEDs for each drive and the system itself. Both sides feature Synology logo cutouts, not just for branding, but to help with airflow. Cooling is handled primarily by two large 92mm fans at the rear. Around the back, you'll find dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN ports with link aggregation support for up to 5 gigabits per second, a reset button, a second USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, a 12-volt DC power input, a USB-C port for connecting the optional 5-bay DS525 expansion unit, and a Kensington lock slot for added security. But there's more underneath. Flip the unit over and you'll find two M.2 NVMe SSD bays with perforated covers for passive cooling. These can be used for SSD caching or to create a high-speed storage pool. Also on the underside, the MAC address and serial number label, and a service panel for Synology technicians to access the motherboard. Let's take a look inside. To remove a drive tray, just lift the latch and slide it out. With all 4 trays removed, you get a clear view of the SATA connectors and the rear cooling fans. Tucked away on the right are 2 SODIMM slots supporting up to 32 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. The DS925 Plus ships with 4 gigabytes of memory pre-installed. The Tool S drive trays make swapping drives easy, unlike the DS223J. And yes, Synology includes 2 keys to lock the trays, helping prevent theft or accidental removal by curious little hands. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, check out our full article linked in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to support our work, and consider sponsoring us through the links below. Thanks for watching.